everyone, and welcome to the final daily DIY of Earth Week 2021. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make freezer jam. So what you're going to need is about a pound of fruit, preferably berries. I don't know if you can see, but these are blackberries. Also, peaches do really well. I've had successes with nectarine as well. And you'll need your sugar, you'll need some lemon juice, and of course a mason jar or any type of jar that you can put the jam in. So grab your pot and we're gonna get ready to boil.
So why freezer jam? Well, unlike canned jam, storing freezer jam is a lot less complicated. Canned jam can have issues with mold and spoiled food if you don't seal the jar properly. But freezer jam is a lot less work. It usually lasts up to 4 months. Some blogs say up to a year, but let's just go with 4 months to be safe. Just make sure that you leave space for the jam to expand when freezing.
So you want to put your fruit in a pot and add 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of water, and just heat it up. As it starts to heat up, you want to mash it either with a potato masher, which I do not have, or a fork. I'm going to try to use this, but I don't know if it'll work. After you've mashed the fruit, you want to bring the mixture to a boil and then put it back to medium heat and stir it for about, stir it occasionally for about 20 minutes so the sugar and fruit mixture can congeal into that jam texture that you want. Now that the 20 minutes are up and I've been stirring it every so often, you can see that it's starting to congeal. And so it'll congeal further once it cools down. So what you want to do now is put it in your jar. And I just realized I'm wearing white. I'm living on the edge. Whew. Okay. Starting to wish I had a funnel, but that's okay. And you want to leave space in your mason jar, so when it freezes, it doesn't pop the lid off. So here's the jam, and I like to put a little date. It helps me remember when I made it because it'll be good up to 4 months in the freezer.